It's just us, girl. Let me know what's up, girl. What's up, girl? Cause I'm tryna slow it down. Beat it down, beat it up. Take it down, down, down. Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see by the title, we're gonna be doing a review on this baby right here, makeup brush cleaner. If it's good, I'ma tell y'all. If it's not good, I'ma tell y'all. I've seen good reviews and I've seen bad reviews, so I'ma let y'all know what it really is, and I'ma let y'all know if you need to save your coins or not. It's a period. The setup is looking real cute. Okay, that's one point. It has a little line and it tells you how much water to put. I'm excited to find out what's really about to happen. This is what I normally use to wash my brushes. It smells so good. I purchased this from Ulta Beauty and it was retailed for about $7 to $8. It has to fit perfectly or else the brush is gonna fall out, girl. I'm finally ready, hold on. Like I said before, this goes here. You just push that in. The power button right here. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Majority of the foundation came off. This was my liquid foundation brush and majority of it came off. That's 3 points, so we have 4 points. This is what I use to apply my glitter. If your brush is like heavy on the liquid foundation, you're gonna have to put it in there more than one time, maybe 2 or 3. If you're gonna buy this product, just go ahead and buy a new set of brushes. That's my review on this product.